Right guys, kusagana kwatukuita zvekare pano patirare 263 pano ndokuzivisai news updates zvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Kana uri munyowani, make sure to subscribe watina on that notification bell. Muri yeZimbabwe update yandinayo tisati taenda kure, kune vanonzi gogodziva. Muri yeZimbabwe une problem, fonera gogodziva. Izvezvi namba dzavo ndo dziri kubuda pa screen apa ungofona kuti wotaura, wafona kana kumbura wotaura kuti ndatora namba pa tirare 263 tanzi tifonere gogodziva, hanzi ndokune Zambuko. Avasi vemabhidhiri vanorowa basa ravo zviri straight. Saka kana une zviri kukunetsa, bata gogodziva izvezvi. Andikuzivisei maprofita anobira vanhu kwati nganga dzinobira vanhu pano pa tirare 263 wese dzinoramba kuti dziadvertise idzidzi dzakaita sana gogodziva. Ndosaka ndauya nemunhu ane Zambuko akabatsira munhu airarama neurema akafamba. Update yandinayo muzora nhasi update iyo yevidhio remukomana atorwa vidhio ari parwizi. Zvatorwa vidhio ari parwizi, murida kuona munhu achifira here pavidhio, ndo vidhio ndada kukuisirai. Mukomana uyu afa takatarisa pavidhio. Vamwe vari kuti hanzi friend yake iivhu nekuti iye anga achimutsigira kuti pinda mvura. Vidhio iri 10 minutes, mukomana uyu achifera mvura. Zvinorwadza, zvinosiririsa. Rest in peace kune mukomana uyu. Urida kuti uchii pamusoro penyaya iyi? Much love.
This is my old time favorite.
Dive!
Dive!
Broski! Dive! Ayo, shot. Bro, just dive, bro, I beg. He's gone. He's drowning. He's drowning. Are you drowning? Yeah, you good, bro. Video.
Tia, see my jokes here, bro.
I only miss you when I see you. You post up a cream. Mukomana, if I ever see you.
Never do body very great. Dai tiri rani meta, kanisi ya kuniniva. Papa nagawash. Shaft you. Ina deep, I'm sending involved. T. Go get him.
Yeah, he's good still. No, what is doing?
It's been a minute now.
He's got this ball.
T. And you want Mukusa tapindi. These are not even jokes, you know. I told you guys don't go in there. I'm missing Friday, bro. Get out of there. Bro, what is here?
I can't see him, bro.
Don't play in the water.
Shaft, bro.
So good.
See clearly under the water as well.
So good, these are not jokes. He's somewhere there.
Oh, bro, Shaft! Bro!
God, what's the tower?
Yo, Jay! Yo, bro, you're dying on me, Jay.
Go get
him.
T in the upper, bro. Go there.
Jay, get out right now, bro.
T.
Where is he?
I know the tower in a jeep, bro. He's over there. In the nature, punish my flies,
Nah, shove some pain, you bro. I don't need heat,
Ah, bro, you tell you like
where is he?
Don't
Wait.
involve
I
me.
can't see him, though.
I
Where
told you
is
don't.
Where the fuck is
Where
he?
the fly is over there. I told you.
Fly, bro.
The Mukomana don't let him go, but you are what you call.
No, wait. I need to spy him first.
Where the flies are over there.
I can't see them, G. Them?
Yeah, them over there.
I need to see him first. Did you say that first?
I am. It's not even funny, bro.
You're my man.
T, just go in. It's not even funny.
Yeah, I'm trying to find him, G. Can you see him, Daisy?
I can't. How can I see him? He's just there. Just go down and look for him.
I'm looking, G.
Go down. T, it's not funny.
Oh?
Just go and look for him.
I am looking. Why?
Look behind you. Oh my fucking days. In the tower, bro.
Daisy, where's this guy?
Go, just put your head down for a second. Oh my fucking days. He's somewhere there. I can't come in the water because I can't swim. Should I call someone? Should I actually call someone?
I can't see him.
Let me call someone for help.
Jay!
I'm gonna call someone for help. Cause what?
Jay!
Should I call someone for help?
Yeah, do please. Jay, my bro. Jay, my brother. You ain't leaving me, Jay. Where are you, bro? Bro. Jay, bro. Yo. Jay, please, bro. Jay. Bro. Jay. Jay. Daisy! Daisy! Have you found anyone? Yeah, I can see some bubbles in it, but if I go down the wall, I can't really see him. Still.
No,
I've been trying to look for him in the wall, but I can't see him still. So I could see some bubbles coming through it, yeah? I went down looking for him, I couldn't find him. I don't know, he's been down there for more than 2 minutes now. No, I saw him kind of struggling in it. I thought he was just joking, though. Then a minute after, he just went down. So I tried going down there looking for him, though, but I couldn't find him. Where?
Can't be fishes or anything though. I mean, you shouldn't be swimming in the lake. It's dangerous.
Barbara's coming down there.
Okay.
How old is your friend?
He's 19, I think.
19. Is it a male or a female?
It's a male.
A male.
He's not there. Cheers, good one.
Yeah, you could get out and
Can't find him.
how long has it been since you last saw him?
Jane!
3 minutes.
About 2 or 3 minutes, he said.
Jane!
He was just sitting over there and
Did you see him go down, or did he come out, or?
he was on the thingy, and then I went to sit over there and then he was swimming. And then he came off, but the other one didn't.
He wouldn't be hiding anywhere.
No, he was just over there.
No, it's
Saying he's
literally
not
just
gonna
over
try and
there.
pull a trick on you or
Then
anything.
he tries to me coming this side then though. Couldn't find him. Oh my, oh.
What's your friend say?